Hi guys, welcome to our pool! My dogs are absolutely obsessed with swimming, so a few years ago I built them their own pool. Since then, I've learned everything there is to know about keeping a dog pool crystal clear, dealing with dog hair, making it safe, and finding the best pool accessories for it. So, if you want to build the ultimate dog-friendly pool, this video is for you. I picked up this pool on Amazon. It was only about $150. This is only a 12-foot pool and only about 3 or 4 feet high, so it's pretty small. And honestly, it's one of the easiest pools to set up. Instead of like bed in a bag, it's like a pool in a bag. It comes with a complete kit with a filter. Although I did upgrade mine, which I'll show you later in this video, all you have to do is slide the poles into place, lay down a tarp underneath to protect the bottom from sharp rocks or sticks, and then fill it up with water. This whole setup took me about 2 hours, and as you can see, my dogs couldn't even wait for it to finish filling before they jumped in. This is the beautiful pool here that I have created just for my dogs and a little bit for myself too. So it's so nice on a nice hot summer day for the dogs to just be able to enjoy going for a swim. And these pools are really inexpensive on Amazon. They're like $100. I got a 3-foot pool here. That way if my dogs fall into the pool by accident, they can easily get out. I got some stairs here as well for them. So pools can be dangerous because either children can fall in when they're not supervised, or even your dog could fall in, and it's just so much safer to have one of these domes, and they're super cool. You just simply, and it keeps, here's the thing, it also keeps the heat retained inside, and it also keeps any of the leaves and debris from the wind, the pollen, everything is great to have. Super sturdy. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. See, now they can't get in, so it's super safe. Yeah, you gotta wait, puppy, just wait. So it just has like this system here, these bars, super easy to open. And super easy to close. It'll keep all the gross debris out of the pool, and you don't have to change the filter so much. So I also just love this for safety for dogs so that they're not going to drown, or even kids too. So great to have. And we have some pretty nasty windy weather here, and this thing has stayed on so well. Another thing, when you're having your dog swimming in a pool, you're going to want to pick up a pool vacuum. Now I love these automatic underwater pool vacuums. You literally just turn it on, it goes underneath and cleans the floor of the pool, and it also helps the circulation of the water in the pool. So amazing. It literally cleans the bottom of your pool so you don't have to do a full water change. It's like an iRobot, but for underwater. I also got upgraded a filter system because some of these above ground pools don't come with the best filter systems. So I upgraded to a Viver pool filter, and the water pressure is just like so much better, and it helps circulate the water so it's not becoming stagnant and gross. And then you're also going to want to get a chlorine dispenser, a little bobble like this. So just some chlorine pucks, and that is about it for keeping the pool clean and keeping it safe for your dogs. Again, you always want to make sure your dogs are supervised when they're in the pool. And then when it comes to some fun stuff, I got this. This is actually a Calibana dock. So it's for humans and dogs. And I say it's for dogs because it has this. So if the dog ever falls out of the pool or on the lake, they can just swim right back up this little lap. It's got like little ladder pieces here. Super sturdy. Their nails have not popped it. And you guys, I have like so many dogs that have used this. Here's our model here. So he'll just jump on and he loves it. It's nice and sturdy. His nails aren't going to pop it. And you can also get them a life jacket, and also having a pool for your dogs, so good for them to train them how to swim, just in case an emergency ever happened, if they ever, fell into a body of water for whatever reason. It's good for a dog to learn how to swim. It's also good for seniors or any dogs that have any kind of hip or mobilization problems. It's good for their arms to swim and the resistance. All in all, having a pool for your pooch is one of the best things you can do for them because they really enjoy being out here on a nice hot summer's day and having the best of both worlds. They can dip in if they're too hot, and they can float and relax. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy our beautiful day in the sun. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and if you found any of these tips helpful for building a safe and clean pool for you and your pooch, then definitely let me know. Give this video a like and hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching again. See you next time. Bye!